Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's Monday noun. So let's look at party. Party. When people come together to celebrate. Come together. Come together to celebrate. So let's try and get a picture. Party, eh? Perfect. Here we are. There we are. Look at that. Party. Party, yes. That's it. Very good. So, a social gathering, people come together, involving drinking, eating and dancing. Let's get an emoji of that, shall we? Dance. Here we are. Dance, yeah. Very good. Yeah. How cool is that? So, I will go to the party. I have a party on Friday. We welcome to the party. Welcome. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. We will host a lot of parties here. Did you know about those parties? He went to a lot of parties last year. Okay, so we can have party 1 singular, and parties 2 plus plural. Party, parties. Get rid of the y and add ies. How cool is that? So I am thinking about having a party on Saturday. Yeah, that is a good night to have a party. Party on, I think. Depends. Okay. Yeah. How cool is that? So, the party last night was fun. That party was not like the others. It was louder. It was louder than before. Yeah, it was louder than before. Yeah. So, we are planning a party. I'm planning a party to celebrate the wedding. Yeah. That party needs to have a lot of music, for example. Without cake, I don't think it is a true party without cake. Yeah, it needs cake. It needs cake. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. And there is a party tonight. I don't think there will be a party tomorrow. I think some people will be too busy. There might not be a party like this ever again. Ever again. Probably not. No. Yeah. How cool is that? So, a party where people come together and celebrate. Drinking, dancing, eating. Yeah. How cool is that? So, party. Now, can you write party in a sentence and put it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, more videos to come. You can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.